Now, the one issue a lot of us Steam Deck users have to deal with if we're in a long gaming session, I'm talking playing for like an hour or two plus, is low battery issues. It's a common problem with all handhelds, not just the deck. But one thing you do is play games that don't drain your battery as quickly. And since I've played hundreds of different titles on the deck, I've got 3 games which you could play for hours without worrying about it draining your battery super quick. And the games I'm going to be going over are going to be Street Fighter 6, RoboCop, and Marvel vs. Capcom 3. Each one of these games is awesome, and you could spend countless hours playing them without ever getting bored. Trust me on that. All right, next I'm going to do around 5 to 6 minutes of gameplay in each one so you can see them in action. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about these titles, there will be some resource links you can check out directly below in the description. You could also get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on updates as well. Don't forget to tap that like, and let's get into some of this gameplay.
USA. 仕方ないな。やるか。来て。スタート。Round 1. Fight. 昇竜拳。させるかよ。そうだ。Round 2. Fight. Ken wins! 仕方ないな。やるか。いい戦いになりそうだ。Round 1. Fight! どうだ。Round 2. Fight!
this, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
Get ready.
ready for the fight of your life. It's do or die. Fight! First attack! Crossover attack! Crossover attack! Level 2! Great! Level 2! Danger! Down! Abort! Punch him on! Crossover attack! Abort! Crossover attack!
Tag out!
X-Factor! Danger! Level 1! Down!
Now it's getting
Crossover attack! Crossover attack! Abort! Excellent! Crossover attack! KO! You win! You were recording. Get ready for the fight of your life. Go for broke. Fight! First attack. Crossover attack. Crossover attack. Crossover attack. Wonderful. Danger.
Shit, got time for an interview?
Level 3. Yes. Level 1.
Don't get so tough.
Sweet.
What's every move
Down.
One more and victory is there.
Not planning on